Assalamu alaikum again, and this is just a follow-up of the previous video since we don't have any sound going on. So yesterday I had my setting just a little bit messed up. So what I was talking about is that SHIB is actually breaking above here, and you're looking for a move up like this. So basically from here you're going up, you're coming down, and you're retesting. So this was the 4-hour time frame that I was talking about. One touch, move up, breakout, coming down. You got a almost successful retest right there. You can see the morning star as well. And on the 1 hour time frame at the moment is going to be like following. You have this downtrend that has been broken as well, and I do believe on the 15 minutes time frame you do have another pattern. So what we're doing here is I told you in that video we were trading here, and I told you you're looking to come down to retest this one resistance that you have broken above and it came down. Now people who know technical analysis didn't need any sound, by the way. That's how cool TA really is. You don't have to talk about something. You just have to look at the visuals and the graphics and oh, okay, I got it. Nobody disliked the video. It seems like everyone was getting the point. And I told you that you don't want to come down right over here. So basically this is your pattern over there, and this is the retest that is holding up. You're breaking up. It seems like you still are interested to push up. So if everything goes okay, and 970 is going to be the end of it, so you don't want to come down to 970. If everything works out, you're looking for a big push here for maybe a 36 to 37% to the upside. So that's it. Again, sorry for the no voice video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.